Every story begins with a dream. For us, the dream rode to life at DKDC, where a team of passionate minds built a machine with nothing but determination and sleepless nights. We entered the arena with fire in our hearts. But fate had other plans. Despite securing 5th place out of 9 karts, a failed brake test held us back. That moment, that string of failure became our greatest motivation. Failure did not stop us, it built us. A new season, a new goal, a new mission. Team TorqueX began its journey towards FKDC Season 9 with one mission: to redeem ourselves. From late night design sessions to the first spark of the welding torch, every move echoed one message: we will rise again.
Every detail mattered. The build, the balance, the design, all put to test in presentations before the big race. Our engineers, drivers, and management all worked in sync, because TorqueX wasn't just a team, it was a family chasing speed and perfection. And then Coimbatore. The heat, the energy, the roar of engines. Out of 71 cars, only 4 cleared technical inspection on day 1, and we were one of them. TorqueX has arrived. Day 2, a moment of breath. Day 3, the moment of truth. The brake test, 4 attempts, 3 hard brakes, but on the final drive we nailed it. With what? We advanced to the dynamics event. Acceleration, maneuvering, and the real thrill of the motorsport. Every second on track was proof that persistence always pays. Day 4. The rain came down, cutting short our practice. In just 20 minutes, disaster struck. A lost axle key, a damaged tire, a shaken team. But day 5 brought hope. We faced autocross, skid pad, and LTT with all we had. Despite DNFs and penalties, we kept pushing. Then our steering C-clamp broke. Repairs halted by low power. We waited, frustrated but not defeated. Day 6, the final test. Endurance. 300 points at stake. The kart wasn't perfect. The build was weak, but our spirit was unbreakable. Our driver went with one goal: to finish against all odds. We completed 6 laps. Every meter was a story of resilience, teamwork, and passion. And when the dust settled, Team TorqueX stood proud, securing All India rank 12 out of 41 IC karts. From failure to fire. We built more than a kart. We built belief. This wasn't the end. This is just an ignition of something greater. Team TorqueX driving the passion.